Chile's justice system announced the final sentencing in the case of Daniel Zamudio, a young gay man who was brutally attacked in a Santiago park in March of 2012 in what is being called a hate crime. Inside the courtroom, family members of Daniel Zamudio and their supporters gathered to hear the official sentencing of 4 attackers who beat Zamudio to death. Nearly 2 weeks ago, Zamudio's 4 attackers were found guilty of first-degree murder. The judge said they had acted with extreme cruelty and total disrespect for human life. Patricio Ahumada, who is believed to have been the ringleader, was given a life sentence. Both Alejandro Angulo and Raul Lopez were sentenced to 15 years, while Fabian Mora, who is believed to have had less involvement, will spend 7 years in prison. Outside the courtroom following the announcement, Daniel Zamudio's mother, Jacqueline Vera, said that the verdicts didn't go far enough.
Un poco injusta. Deberían tener a los 4 cadena perpetua, los 4, no uno solo, porque los 4 participaron en la golpiza de mi hijo.
It's been a year and a half since the 4 convicted assaulted Daniel in Santiago's Parque San Borja. According to evidence and testimony from the trial, the convicted kicked and punched Zamudio, cut his ear and face, carved swastikas into his abdomen, and broke his right leg with a nearly 18-pound rock. Zamudio died in the hospital 25 days later, shocking the public and provoking a national discussion about gay tolerance and human rights in Chile. Today, over a year and a half later, prosecutor Ernesto Vázquez endorsed the court's decision.
Nosotros trabajamos con elementos de investigación objetivos, hacemos una imputación y defendemos contra a nuestros fiscales en el tribunal esa pretensión. Y eso, hay hoy día una respuesta sólida, contundente por parte del tribunal, que, como siempre he dicho en estos casos, abraza la convicción del Ministerio Público de que las personas acusadas son las culpables por los hechos que han sido imputados.
Motivated by the Zamudio case, President Sebastián Piñera put an anti-discrimination law on the fast track to approval after it had been stuck in Congress for 7 years. The law enables Chileans to file lawsuits based on instances of discrimination and adds hate crime sentences in cases of violence.
Todos sabemos que él murió fruto del odio, la discriminación y la crueldad. Y ese asesinato no podía quedar impune ni tampoco ser en vano.
Despite the inaction of the so-called Zamudio law, homophobic hate crimes continue to happen in Chile. For the victims and their families, today's sentence represents one step towards reclaiming justice. For CCTV English, I'm Alexandra Hall in Santiago, Chile.